Hey, the average Joe here. Hey, just thankful this time of year for all you our users and your support that you give us here at HVAC Solution Software. So we're given the following information for a project here. We want to design a rooftop unit for a warehouse building, and the building and system information is as follows. So this building is going to be in the U.S., Arizona. Kingman is the city. 5,000 square foot warehouse. The building's going to have a rooftop unit on the roof. The load information is 1 CFM a square foot. That was determined from a Lowe's program. Heat loss was 80,000 BTU. Space heating, cooling, indoor temperatures was 75,000 CFM exhaust. There are 12 people. The space is going to be positive pressure, and we'll have 4 supply diffusers, 2 return grills, and the longest duct run is 110 feet. So we're going to start off by coming here to our wizard, going to the Air Rooftop Unit System Wizard. Here we're going to answer the questions. We want one system. We want the space level, heating and cooling, no energy recovery. So we want a blow-through fan, ducted return relief air. We want that to be in the cabinet, the relief air fan. We'll do 1 supply fan, 1 return fan. Heating and cooling coils on a rooftop unit, they default to natural gas and packaged, and that's fine. Pre-filter, let's do a dynamic filter. We've just added them to the software. That's a nice filter with a great pressure drop. No sound traps, no humidifiers. We're just going to do a 1 zone serving the whole warehouse, 1 space for that whole zone. This is where I typed in the 80,000 BTUs heat loss. For temperatures, we want 75, I said, for heating and 75 for cooling. We'll go with the default of relative humidity. We could put the areas in there if we wanted. I'm also going to add a unit heater to this just so you can see how we can add a unit heater to the space. You'll see the other components can be added as well. Supply CFM, I put in at 5,000. Okay, if you import loads, then we bring this load information for you and put that automatically. And the pressurization, I mentioned 10%. So I have that put in there. Ventilation, what did I say, 10 people or 12 people? We'll change that to 12 people at 20 CFM a person. 1,000 CFM exhaust, and we want to put an exhaust fan in there. We could even add like a cook if we wanted there, rough mounted cook fan. Natural gas for the unit heater. We're all done if all goes well here. There's my rooftop unit with the airflow diagram. And then we should have also here, we'll just put it down there, zoom down. We're going to have the meter outside serving the 2 gas loads, right? The air handler, excuse me, rooftop unit heat exchanger there, and then the unit heater in the space. So a few things here to look at. Let's just zoom in here on the airflow diagram, and we'll see that I can move this down. We can highlight and show all the CFMs in the space here. Airflow right there. Now, I mentioned we wanted to add a few things. I said 4 grills. So I want to come here to my space toolbar and come in here for supply and come in with the grill perforated and put 1. Then we just go do it again. 2. I put it on the side, but I can move that, rotate that right up here. Just move it to the top, then hit the rotate right up here. Grab another one. We said we wanted 4 in there. There's the 4, there's the exhaust, and then here's my return. We said we want to do, I do just copy another one, paste it in there. So now we have 2 returns. We'll connect that in. We'll just make all these kind of come over for 1 duct run. We could duct those up however we want. Just duct it right into there. I could go in obviously and add some dampers in there to control the flow. So I said the longest run was 110 feet. So we'll type in there 110 feet. It's going to do a duct feeding factor of 1.5, multiply that by the static pressure maximum, and then come up with add that. Now we know the static pressure of that fan with the duct in there. And there's the path of that fan supply. And there's the relief fan over there that just shows that portion right there. So anyway, just use that rooftop unit wizard. There's an air handler wizard there that just defaults to other type of coils and components in there. You'll see the other 9 wizards there total as well. Hope this has been helpful in creating a project. Now we have all the equipment sized. We can select some of the equipment now and then go in and start looking at our schedules, build materials, and then start building this system in Revit if that's what's needed on the project. Hope this has been helpful to you. Hey, thanks for watching.